This is Moprobo. Check this shit out. This thing can literally suck up a hamburger. Does anybody have a hamburger? We need,
You want a hamburger?
do we have a hamburger?
I can get you a hamburger.
Hold on.
How about
Wait, wait, what? This thing went, it went rogue. Then it'll on the base. What the? There's something wrong with my Moprobo.
Oh no.
Yeah, this one's brand new. Well, this is brand new. Hold on. Wait, it just.
Because this is where.
That was crazy. Wait. Hold on. I mean, what the? This is crazy. It's not supposed to do that. Hold on, but watch this. Suck it up. So you just had a spill. Dude, I love this thing. I wish I had a hamburger. It'll literally suck up an entire Big Mac. Oh, wait, hold on. This was a hamburger. That was also a Kickstarter.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Wait, hold on, put that back. Oops. Hold on. Ah, there we go. Okay, ready? Well, it ate it up. Look at that. Nice. Because this is not. Hold on a second. That's in. You're supposed to be able to suck that shit up with the lid on it.